I hope you guys are all having a spectacular day. Easy Autofix here, and today we're going to learn symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor. The purpose of the sensor is to measure the position of the pedal as it's pressed down. This information is then used by the ECM to command the electronic throttle body to open up and allow air to come in. This is known as a drive-by-wire system. Most modern cars have it. If you have an older car, you'll most likely have a drive-by cable system, like this Toyota Camry. Here's the location of an accelerator pedal position sensor on a Ford Fusion. And here's the location on a Nissan Sentra. The first symptom is having your check engine light on. Here's some common codes that can pop up. Now you can read these codes by going to the parts store near you, and they'll most likely do it for free. Or you can buy the scanner that I have that's worth it, linked in the description below. The second symptom is your car hesitates to move. You'll be pressing down on the gas pedal and the car starts to move seconds after. The reason for this is due to the accelerator sensor not being able to detect the exact position of the gas pedal. This goes hand in hand to the third symptom, poor acceleration. You won't be able to accelerate as fast as you used to because the accelerator pedal position isn't being communicated to the ECM to make the proper commands to open up the throttle plate. The fourth symptom you might be experiencing is your car going into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that protects you and your car. You'll feel your car a lot slower, your RPMs and speed will be limited, and you'll usually be stuck in second or third gear. Now, since the accelerator pedal position sensor is responsible for communicating the data to the ECM to open or close the throttle plate while driving, it puts your safety at risk if it's failing. That's why limp mode is activated. The fifth symptom you could be experiencing is no response when pressing down on the gas pedal. This happens when the accelerator pedal position sensor completely gives out. There's been instances where drivers are on the road and the accelerator completely stops reacting, so they're forced to pull over. This is why it's super important to fix the problem right away before letting it build up and get to this point. Marvelous! We just learned symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more, make sure to click on the Auto Symptoms playlist, like and subscribe so I can see you in the next video.